Okay, to start our lasagna, we're going to start by browning our meat. Heat a pot up and pour a couple tablespoons of olive oil in. Heat that up a little bit. What we're using today is lean ground turkey. People who eat this lasagna can't tell it's beef or turkey or chicken or whatever. All right, slowly put this in. Yeah, we'll season the meat. We'll put a teaspoon of sea salt and a half a teaspoon of freshly ground pepper. We're also gonna put in some ground thyme. Give it that beef flavor. Mix that in well. Medium onion. You could use a half an onion, you could use no onion. It's up to you. Mix that in well. Green pepper diced up. And the jalapeno. Mix that in well. Close the chopped garlic. And we're going to add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. One tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Two tablespoons of sugar. Okay, to our sauce, we're going to add some chopped parsley and some chopped basil fresh. We'll cook our lasagna according to the package. I have 2 garlic cloves in here to flavor it. Also 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. Mix that in well. In a 9x13 baking dish, we're going to add some sauce to the bottom of the dish. do about a 1/2 inch from each noodle. About 6 noodles. And now we'll add our cheese. Our cheese sauce. We'll spread an even coat. We want to use like half of it and save half because we're going to put another layer on. So we'll spread half of this on. I also got a 16-ounce shredded mozzarella cheese. Also got some shredded and grated Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna sprinkle on top of this. Spray on the foil. I'm going to turn it around and lightly cover the lasagna. We'll leave this in there at 375 Fahrenheit for half an hour. Then we'll take the foil off and let it bake for another half an hour. All right, we'll see you then. Okay, let's give it a try. Oh my God, it's good. Keep it moving, keep it flowing. I can't tell the difference. Can't tell if this is turkey or beef. All right, till next time.